So I had a viewer ask if you can use eyeshadow instead of mica powder in some of the tumblers. So I'm actually going to try this and see what happens. And I bought this off Amazon. I actually bought it to wear, but I have quite a few different ones, and I'm actually quite allergic to this one for some reason. So I thought this would be a great one to sacrifice for the tumbler good. So we're going to start by seeing if we can mix this with water, because it may have oil in it, and if that's the case, it's not going to mix with the water very well, and then we'll have to try something else. So I'm just going to put some of this into this squeeze bottle here and see what we get. And I'm just going to mix up some of the glue and water mixture and some distilled water as well. Alright, so we've added this into here, and I can see right away it does not look like this will work with the eyeshadow. So you can see the eyeshadow in there. It just gets clumpy. It doesn't dissolve. It just turns into clumps and mess. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my little eyeshadow experiment.